Friday, May 5th, a night like any other. That was until I ran into her. Tina Gold, dancer. I knew her. I'd never seen something so beautiful. Boy, could she move. Shame. She doesn't dance no more. Hey! Wait!
And just like that, she was gone.
I knew Rita would know where to find her. Used to dance with her back in the day.
Tina? Tina Gold? Yeah, I know where she is. Heard she's living on Kingsborough.
Rita, I owe you, sweetheart. Thank you for being my friend.
Anything for you, right?
Where were you, huh? I was out.
Hey! The bird was in danger. And if I was going to take on her man, I needed some insurance. I didn't have any dough, so I offered him my watch.
Everybody's buying guns these days. Can never be too careful. Just don't blow your jewels off pipsqueak, and if you get caught, you didn't fucking get it from me.
Honestly, I had no idea what I was doing. I'd never done anything like this in my life. But she needed me. Guess the broad planned on skipping town. Figures.
I thought you were him.
Oh. I wish I was.
Saturday, May 6th, a day like any other. That was until I ran into her.